Introduce features highlight or overview summary about BAOHZ Dashcam front 1080p Wi-Fi Dashcams, dash camera for cars. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary include: the dashcam can capture clean detailed images with the new and improved CMOS image sensor at f/1.8 aperture. Together with the 170 degrees wide-angle camera in front, it provides up to 6 lanes of view to provide you with clear images. Wi-Fi and app control-free. Download Roadcam app to your iOS or Android device. You can easily manage the dashcam through the built-in Wi-Fi, such as setting, video viewing, playing, taking photos, downloading important files to your phone and more. This car camera will automatically overwrite the oldest video with the latest one. While driving, the video can be automatically saved and stored on a local microSD memory card, which ensures that video evidence will be captured and safely protected from being overwritten. While driving, equipped with built-in G-sensor, BAOHZ Smart-MX1 can automatically record emergencies and save videos. All emergency videos are securely locked as event files to prevent being overwritten. The dashcam uses a 6-layer glass lens with FHD 1080p resolution to capture clean and detailed images. Equipped with high dynamic range/wide dynamic range technology, it effectively balances light intensity to capture images clearly in low or bright light conditions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.